How to create events on iPhone calendar. On your iPhone, tap on the calendar icon. It comes out like this. Now you can tap on this plus icon, or you tap on any of these calendar you want to use. For example, I'm going for May. Tap on it. So on that May, let me tap on May 4. Tap on May 4. Now tap on this plus icon. The first thing is to add a title. Then you can as well tap on location or video call. If you wish, you can add this one, location or video call. Now scroll up. If it is all day event, you tap on this one to toggle it on all day event. Then if it is not all day event, you toggle it off. Then you tap on you set a time for that. So the day and the month, that is May 4th, 2026. The time is I want to be around 8 a.m. in the morning. That is okay for me. Then the day that event will end that same day. Then this one is 2 p.m. Tap on it. Then travel time. If you are to travel, just let 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Let anyone that switch you, yes, let me put 15 minutes. Then repeat. This is a yearly program or daily, weekly, monthly. So it's a yearly program. I will tap on yearly. Then end, repeat. So it's never end. So customize calendar home, leave that one. Invite. If you want to invite somebody, tap on this person, provide the email address of that fellow in the space provided. Then you are able to do that. Then tap a URL. If you have URL that you want to use on the event, put the URL. Then go ahead and tap on this button. So you'll be able to create an event on iPhone calendar. So guys, if you enjoyed what I've explained, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget guys to like and share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section.